arbitrationagreements.org. We're diving into the realm of commercial litigation mediators, and I promise you'll see why they're the unsung heroes of the business world. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a commercial litigation mediator? Well, in the simplest terms, they're professionals who step in to help businesses resolve disputes without going to court. Imagine two companies at odds, and instead of duking it out in a long, expensive courtroom battle, they sit down with a neutral third party to find common ground. The mediator. Let's sprinkle in some fun facts. Did you know that according to recent studies, around 80% of commercial disputes that go to mediation are resolved without ever seeing the inside of a courtroom? Businesses find a way to move forward without a lengthy trial. Businesses that opt for mediation on average save millions of dollars in legal fees. All that money that could have gone to court fees and lawyer hours. But it's not just about the money. Time is another huge factor. The average commercial lawsuit can drag on for years. Mediation. Typically, it wraps up in a matter of weeks or months. Weeks versus years. Which one sounds better to you? So what truly makes a mediator shine? Their skills. These professionals are trained in negotiation, communication, and understanding the nuances of business. They're not there to judge or decide who's right or wrong. Instead, they help facilitate a conversation, guiding parties to find a solution that works for everyone. In the vast ocean of the business world where conflicts are inevitable, commercial litigation mediators are like the lighthouses, guiding ships safely to harbor, preventing potential crashes, and ensuring smooth sailing for everyone involved. If you want to learn more information about mediation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. We have a roster packed with distinguished mediators who have experience in many different industries. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. Also, what do you think about mediation? Which advantage is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.